Hi guys, good evening. I am just making video on two purpose. One thing is I downloaded a new software for making videos and streaming, and those who are interested to make videos can learn. Plus, those who want to know about the income tax calculator, they can also watch this video. uh, let's see, this software can be downloaded by uh, the OBS website. Once it is downloaded, you can see that execution file, application file you can open. This window will open exactly same like this. Now what you are going to do is I am going to tell how to do this one. So I have created a two scene here. Scene 1 nothing is there. Scene 2 already just now I done. What I have done I will show you. uh, so uh, so since already it is there, I am going to add one more. Means I will add one scene 3. You can see scene 3 I added. In scene 3, if you go, this is scene means 1 2 3 screens will be there. If you select, it will go as per that. Suppose I click on scene 2, what I saved it will come. Scene what is there, it will come. Scene 3 what is there. Now scene 3 I have taken, I have not added. So I will add here something I want to create about a income tax calculator. I want to show the people how income tax is calculated. So I am going to add text. So it comes text GD to 1 plus 1. I press OK. So I give here the heading income tax calculator 2020-21. Okay, so I have done. Income tax calculator. Here you can select the font. If I don't want Arial, something different also I can take. You can see how it looks. Century, Courier. Okay, Courier will take. Font size will take. I don't know why it has not come. Okay, income tax calculator, just for showing I have taken. It's not showing, so I will go back to Arial, click OK, then I will scroll down, select color. To highlight I will select this one. Okay, background also you can check. Okay, background will keep something opposite shade, pink taken. It is not showing. I will increase the background. Now you can see that income tax calculator. Okay, so our word has come here. You can drag and keep it any place. So first I will make up to here, to my screen size. I want to keep at top. If you want to keep bottom, you can keep bottom. You can keep in center also. So I will tell you about this position. Now I am keeping on the top side. Okay, so I will make that up to my screen. So next, same text I will go and use filters. In filters, what I am going to do is add some scrolling effect. So here I will add. It will ask what to add. I want to scroll. It will say yes, scroll. Okay, then it will ask the speed. If I give the speed, it will go like this. Slow means slow. So I will keep like just like news reading. Vertical also it will twist. Since I don't have vertical, but I can keep like this also. You can see how it is going. So we can play around. This side you want to make like that, okay. So I'll just keep already touched. So 50 means it won't move. So, but still I kept rolling because I am just showing. Default means 50. Okay. So I will keep scrolling for this one. Okay, close. Now it is going on. So still my this thing is being recorded. So it will just keep on recording what is on my desktop screen. Once you put the start recording, it will start. So next what I will do, I will put a display capture. It is showing the screen display capture. Display capture means what is in my desktop, it will show. Display capture 2. Okay. So this is my desktop, what is running. So I will click OK. So it will show like that. Just to make sure, I will show how it is looking. See, this is my desktop. So I have minimized this window. Okay. So whatever I am doing in desktop, that means it is capturing now. Okay. Understood. So I will go back. So this is how my screen looks. I don't know where this scrolling has gone. Let me check properties. Still scrolling on, so there is no issue. We'll make a video and see. So now I will go to desktop. Whatever I am going to show to audience, this will be here. So next is, suppose say somebody's salary is 12 lakhs per month. Okay, so how is tax is calculated? There are two types. One is tax old regime and tax new. So from last year onwards, the people can fill in the old format as well as new format, but which is beneficial, both you can compare here. I am going to just hide it so somebody's salary is 12 lakhs. So from that, standard deduction will be 50,000. Previously it was for medical and conveyance. The employees has to produce the bills. Now they said no need of bills, it is directly deducted from salary. So 50,000 will be deducted. Next will be HRA. HRA you can claim up to 1 lakh without PAN number. If you are claiming HRA, that is house rent allowance, above 1 lakh, you should have all the documents from the house owner, like his PAN card, where he is staying, and a rent agreement with revenue stamp, his PAN number, that will be recorded from your office. So, but below 1 lakh, exactly I will tell, below 1 lakh, there is no need of PAN card or any this one. Next is, one is HRA, next is PT and entertainer allowance. Okay, some people give, some people will not give. NPS you are not done, I will explain about later. Leave travel allowance, this also can be taken. So you can claim say 50,000. NPS is also similar to like your NPS is outside ATC. You can still take 50,000 in that. That means you are going to invest 50,000. If you have home only, you will have home loan payment. So instead of PT I will put here PF. PF also, if you contribute 50,000, how much is your tax? So next this one will go. So this PF will become 0 because already PF will come under ATC. In ATC what are the things coming? PF, LIC, PPF, tuition fee, ELSS, home loan, principal, etc., fixed deposit. Okay, so we'll leave this. I made PF. Instead of PF I will do one more thing. There are some other allowances in many companies as telephone expenditure, mobile expenditure, and food coupon. So I will take this as a 50,000. This means for your mobile bill, food coupon, 50,000 per year is the rebate. Okay, so this one happened. Then I will just health insurance, mediclaim is coming for ATD. You can take for your father, mother, yourself, wife. The maximum is 35,000, that is 5,000 for you, 5,000 for your wife. That is the maximum you can take. Then your parents 15,000, 15,000. Somewhere it will come around 30, 35. So I don't know how many of you will take for your parents or something, because already company, under company they will be giving housing. So I don't consider any health insurance. Saving bank interest, that is also this one, that also I am not taking. I will touch it later. So 5,74,000 is the deduction you will get for your 12 lakh salary. Okay, so for 12 lakh salary, how much you are going to pay income tax to government? In old format, new format we will see. Now I will tell you the basic thing. In old format you need to give all this. What you need to give? Mobile bill, then leave travel allowance bills, home loan interest payment, what are the vouchers and bills, ATC deduction you have to give full proof. Okay, so those things are considered for the old type, and new type there is no need to give any proofs or anything. The tax is calculated on your 12 lakhs completely. So let me unfold the what are the taxes under different slab. Okay, so for the first 2.5 lakh, 0. Hope you understood what is this amount. This amount I will tell you is 12 lakhs minus, this is the rebate you got. How much rebate you got? 5,74,000. So remaining out of this one is 6,26,000. So if 6,26,000 is divided like this, first 2,50,000, 0 tax. Next 2.5 lakh, here is the formula to show you. I will just show. I have put a formula. I will unhide. Okay. Why I have added this not to confuse with the old and new. Okay, so I will just click. That is in old rate for remaining 2.5 lakh, it is 5%. Now 1,26,000 remains. that will come under 20% bracket. So for that 25,200. So both for the remaining 6 lakh 26, you are going to pay 37,700 tax to government. Cess is 4%, so you will pay 39,208. But if you wish, you don't have home loan, you are not invested in ATC, or NPS or anything like that, then no need to give any uh, proofs. It will just simply calculate on a flat percentage. The new rate is less compared to this one, it is looking less, but you can see that your tax is going to come at 1,19,600. So there is a huge difference. How much difference from old to new is almost 80,400. So it will be better for you to go to the old tax regime and invest some amount in 50,000 in LTA. That means you have to take your family for a trip. It will be for first class air ticket or first class train ticket, or if you are going by taxi, it will calculate in a different way. That I will make a separate video on LTA how to take it, right? So home loan interest is there, that is one thing. ATC, anyhow, PF and your student fees, FD, NAC, something you have saved, it will come in 1,50,000. So here you are going to invest extra for NPS and leave travel allowance. Anyhow, NPS you will get a very good advantage in the in your after 60 years you will get some lump sum amount, and also interest, very good interest. So it is not a loss, it is a good saving. Only thing is leave travel allowance. You can take this 2 times in 4 years. It is called block year. So even going outing with your family is not a big thing with 50,000, including your parents, kids, and wife. So if 4 5 members are going, 10,000 per head is not a big expense. You all will enjoy and come. So instead of giving 80,000, you can think that you are spending 50,000. Still, you will make a save 30,000 as per compared to the new form. So now you have both option whether you can fill in old or a new. So take a decision and enjoy paying tax to government. Okay, bye. Let me know if you guys have any query. Okay, this one over. So what I was doing, I was explaining the screen display action capture. So while making video, I don't suddenly now I am just showing you how my screen looks, something like a very big program. So what I will do, I will just hide this screen. So what happens if I hide my screen? This all is gone, only it will be showing. Like now I am doing talking, I am not showing anything. Then there is one more method. You don't want to show anything, you want to show any something, nothing you want to show, you are going to end by saying bye, something like that. You can still do it, and you can click stop record.